Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. So, at some point in time in our lives, we all would like to become a better version of ourselves. So, in essence, we would like to change. Now, the first step in changing your life is changing your mind in some way. You must be open to new thoughts, new interpretations, new perceptions. Your life around you will only change when you allow what is going on inside of you to change. You see, my friends, starting a journey of transformation begins with a crucial shift in mindset. To alter the course of our life, we must first be willing to embrace new ideas, perspectives, and beliefs. So, by opening ourselves to fresh thoughts, interpretations, and perceptions, that is when we unlock the door to profound change. The external world, my friends, mirrors the inner landscape. Thus, true transformation unfolds when we allow the inner workings of our mind to evolve. So, in closing, my friends, embrace the power of introspection, self reflection, and growth. For it is through this internal transformation that the external manifestations of your life will follow suit. Hence, paving a way for a new reality shaped by your evolving thoughts and perceptions. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.